In my last video, we broke down the schedules of millionaires. We saw how they structure their days for maximum output. But what we didn't cover are the tools they use to execute those schedules. This isn't just about apps, it's about digital leverage. These are systems that multiply your effort so you can achieve in 1 hour what takes others an entire day. Today, we're diving into the Millionaire Tech Stack, the 4 core tools that will revolutionize your productivity. First up is the operating system for your entire life, Notion. Now, forget everything you think you know about Notion as just a note-taking app. That's like using a supercar to get groceries. For high performers, Notion is a powerful project management hub. Here's my personal setup. This isn't a collection of random notes. It's an integrated dashboard. Every project, whether it's for my business or personal life, is tracked here. I have databases for clients, content ideas, and Q3 goals, all linked together. When I plan a new video, the task automatically links to my content calendar and my research notes. This centralized command center means I'm not wasting mental energy trying to find things. It's all here. The ROI on Notion isn't just organization, it's clarity. You can't execute a millionaire schedule if your digital workspace is a mess. Next, let's talk about the scheduler. If your schedule is the blueprint, your calendar is the construction crew. But most people use their calendar passively, as a record of things that have already been scheduled. Millionaires use it proactively. This is where AI calendar apps like Motion or Reclaim come in. These aren't just digital calendars. They are intelligent assistants that practice time blocking for you. Time blocking is the practice of assigning a specific time slot for every single task on your to-do list. Instead of a vague list, your entire day is planned out. Manually, this is tedious. But with an AI scheduler, you just dump your tasks in, set priorities, and it builds your perfect day for you. If a meeting gets moved, the AI automatically reshuffles your entire schedule to keep you on track. You're no longer just managing appointments. You're strategically allocating every minute of your day for peak performance. The third tool in our stack is all about automation, and the king of automation is Zapier. The wealthiest people I know are obsessed with one thing: buying back their time. They understand that time is the one asset you can't make more of. Zapier lets you automate the repetitive, low-value tasks that drain your day. Let me give you a concrete example. As a creator, I used to manually create and send an invoice every time a brand sponsorship was completed. It took maybe 15 minutes each time. With Zapier, I've created an automation. Now, when I move a project card in my Notion dashboard from in progress to completed, Zapier automatically generates an invoice from a template, saves it to Google Drive, and emails it to the client. That 15-minute task now happens in 0 minutes, instantly. It might sound small, but if you automate a dozen of these small tasks, you've just bought back hours every single week. That is time you can now invest in high-value work that actually grows your income. Finally, the fourth tool, the blocker. In a world of infinite distraction, focus is a superpower. You can have the best schedule and the most efficient systems, but if you can't focus, it's all useless. That's where distraction blockers like Rize or Opal are non-negotiable. These apps do more than just block websites. They are designed to help you build deep work habits. You can schedule focus sessions where all distracting apps and sites are completely inaccessible. Rize even tracks your time automatically, showing you exactly how much time you spent in focused work versus in meetings or on distracting sites. This isn't about willpower. It's about engineering your environment for success. The ROI here is measured in hours of pure, uninterrupted deep work, the kind of work that produces extraordinary results. So there you have it, the 4 pillars of the Millionaire Tech Stack: Notion as your operating system, an AI calendar for intelligent time blocking, Zapier to buy back your time, and a blocker to protect your focus. Investing in these tools isn't an expense. It's an investment in your most valuable asset, your time. Now that we know how to manage our time like a millionaire, what about our mindset? In the next video, we'll explore the other side of the coin, the poverty habits and the psychology of money that hold most people back. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.